let's say you failed big the previous day, or a big order it got cancelled, or a huge amount of goods got returned or something. Next day morning, you will be depressed. And believe me, in business journey, depression is a part and parcel of it. If that is why you have to keep listening to people, keep listening to experiences, keep listening to motivation speakers, because it will stay with you either for 3 or 4 days, right? Fifth day will bring you depression again. Again you go back to listen to experiences and stuff. So that is how the journey goes. So let's say you had a huge success or huge failure the previous day. Next day morning, let's go with failure, because success is easy to handle. Let's go with failure. You had a huge failure. Next day morning when you wake up, what can you do? Think of the depression you have. Okay, let's say you write 5 subjects a semester. The previous day you got your results, you have bunked in all 5 subjects gone. So how will your mindset be the next morning? I think a few of you can relate to that. I've done that. So how would your mindset be the next morning?